You have to understand that to have an ashes in our forehead is a public confession that I am a sinner. Not holy, but a sinner. Second, that I publicly declare that I will turn away from sin. Hindi sapat na inaamin mo ang iyong kasalanan. Dapat merong pagbabago. Hindi ka maliligtas dahil inamin mo ang iyong kasalanan. Maliligtas ka dahil merong pagbabago. Pangatlo, that we commit ourselves to pray for other people. You will not go to heaven alone. No? So pray for other people. Especially the people you find it difficult to dwell with.